to another video. So today we discuss about the cultivation of coffee, the traditional method of planting coffee, the place of 20 seeds in each hole and the beginning of a rainy season. This method loses about 50% of seeds. Potential is about the half fail of sprout. A more effective process of growing coffee using in Brazil is to raise seedling necessary that are then planted outside after 6 to 12 months. Coffee is often intercropped with food crops such as corn, beans, and rice during the first few years of cultivation. As a farmer become familiar with its requirements, coffee plants grow with a defined area between the troughs of Cancer and Capricorn, termed the bean belt or coffee belt. In 2020, the world production of green coffee beans was led by Brazil of with 39% of total, followed by Vietnam, Colombia, Indonesia, Brazil, the largest coffee import. Of two main species grown, Arabica coffee is generally more highly regarded by Robusto. Robusta coffee tends to be a bitter and has less flavor but the better body than Arabica. For the reason about three quarters of coffee cultivated worldwide of C. Arabica, Robusta strain is also contain about 40 to 50% of more caffeine than Arabica consistently. This species is used in an expensive substitute for Arabica in many commercial coffee blends. Good quality Robusta beans are used in traditional Italian blends to provide a full body taste and better from head. Additionally, Robusto is less susceptible to disease than Arabica and can be cultivated in lower altitude and warmer climates. When Arabica does not thrive, the Robusto strain must collected in 1890. A Congo river was conveyed from Congo Free State to Brazil to Java in 1900. From Java, further breeding resulting is to establish the Robusto plantation in many countries, in particular to spread of the devastating coffee leaf rust caused by a fungal pathogen. It which the Abrica is variable hasty to uptake the resistant rubella. The pathogen of result is a less colored spot of underside. The coffee plant leaves grow excessively on the leaves of coffee plant. Coffee leaf rust is found in virtual all countries and produce coffee. Beans from different countries or region can usually be distinguished by difference in flavor, aroma, body and acidity and taste characters, dependent not only coffee growing region but also a genetic subspecies and processing. The virtual and generally known by a region in which they are grown, such as Colombia, Java, Coniga. Arabica coffee beans are cultivated mainly in Latin America, Eastern America, Africa, or Asia, while Robusto beans are grown in Central Africa, South Asia, and Brazil. Coffee can also be blended with the medicinal and functional mushrooms, of which some frequently used include lion's mane, chaga, kolchi, rishi. Mushroom coffee has about half of caffeine standard coffee. However, drinking mushroom coffee can result in digestive issues and high amount can result in liver toxicity. There are little clinical evidence for beneficial mushroom coffee. Coffee is blended with the medicinal functional mushrooms, of which some most frequently used including linalool, chaga, Cod-sized mushroom coffee has been about half the caffeine as standard coffee. However, drinking mushroom coffee can result in digestive issues and high amount can result in liver toxicity. There is a little clinical evidence for benefits of mushroom coffee and many furthermore. The coffee beans cultivated in Latin America, Eastern Africa, Asia and Robusto beans growing in Central Asia, South Asia and Brazil. So here the cultivation and productions about the coffee in different countries.